Okay, we're just going to go into the details of recalibrating your belts or your revs and all that. And we seem to think it's pretty important to do once a week, or even every time you change your belt, we should recalibrate the system. This will cover anything on version 2.3 and below. Before you start, we need the machine running engaged at full revs, and make sure it's been running for a little while so it's nice and warm. So we'll just go into this again. So we're on the screen, we look for this green squiggly line just here where my thumb is, button underneath it, push that, and now we're going to highlight an arrow down to maintenance. So we're in settings now, maintenance, push OK, and while we're in here, we're in software version 2.30, which that'll cover this. Now in there, we'll go back to this squiggly line, push that one, scroll down until we get everything to highlight. So we've got a vibration sensor highlighted now, and we'll go right down the bottom to reset and calibrate. And when we get to here, we still want the machine engaged at full revs, not moving, parked up. Push OK, and now we'll get this all come up. Do you want to continue with recalibration? Push OK, and as we've got the header not running, so we won't do that at this stage, but you'll get a line come up and it would slowly go across this screen, and then it will finish, and it'll end up going back to the original screen. But that should cover you for everything there. But that's something we're thinking you could do probably once a week, because the value is on 6% of them numbers you do. So if it loses revs because of belt wear or temperature of the day, you could be getting an alarm going off premature, which you don't need. Just trying to keep everything at full capacity. Okay, we finished calibration. While we're on the commission page, there's actually one of 3 pages, and we'll just arrow across and have a look what's on the next page. So now we've got our sensors, all our sensors. So high alarm, low speed at 95%. So that's the percentage of where your alarms are going to go off of the revs we've gone in. There's not too much we can do on that page, but we'll arrow across again. Like you can't change them numbers, but we'll arrow across again. So we're in commission page 3, and we've got gearbox temperature warning alarm, and we've got that set at 95. Look, they can handle 105 easy enough, so don't get too concerned at 95. But if you're getting up around 105, maybe good time to give us a ring, or you have a look, make sure you haven't got too much dust built up around your Terminator gearbox, which we covered in one of our previous videos. All you have to do to get out of here is push escape. Make sure when you're harvesting, your header is light up green. That'll make sure your alarms go off. If you don't do that, you'll have an alarm going off in the background. It'll drive you crazy to telling you it's not on. So it's best to have that on so all your alarms are working. Push on green, operate. If you're out of the paddock, you're not working, turn it off, and it won't beep at you.